about stepping into your own power and discovering your own divinity. What puzzles me is how we lose track of what we always were through a socialization mechanism that leaves us disturbed. And I guess I'm just searching for words to find that inner truth that speaks through me, that speaks through the youth, that speaks through all of time. As a matter of fact, we can find when we look back across history, we see this universal presence known as creativity. The creativity that brings the stars into alignment. Perhaps it's just gravity, but I think there's love force at the center of all things. I believe the force of love is the force of creativity. For to perceive is to create, if you can suddenly understand how it equates. See, for quantum physicists, they say the observer and the observed are actually intertwined, entangled, that the scientist observing the experiment actually influences the experiment through his observation. But what we didn't know, what we were not told, is that every act and every thought that we hold is an act of creative processing. Meaning, we could have the experience of heaven or hell, the experience of abundance or poverty, the experience of power or enslavement. The entire spectrum of human possibility is at our grasp, and I'm here to unmask the truth that was written on my soul that was once declared and foretold, to say and to represent that we are here now, awakened, that the 21st century poet isn't just a production mechanism of abstract words, that the poet is actually the alchemist who can create entire realities through their fantasies, through their imagination, as the contemplation and the relaxation of my mind state is changing. And I guess I have a secret to tell, because my inner wealth is through this creative process, and I have to understand that I can create my reality. Therefore, I call myself a prophet.
Yeah.
Not trying to profit off of anyone else's detainment. I'm trying to profit all of the ways that we can entangle us. The ways that we can come together is our true wealth, and the poets are the ones who see it first. Matter of fact, they're the artists, the ones who can create it as we speak, as we walk, as we declare it to be. And so I ask anybody in this room who feels that there's something within them that needs to come out, but you haven't decided if it's the right time yet. Well, ask yourself, what is it that you want to experience? Ask yourself, what is the kind of world or life that you want to have? In retrospect, looking back, what will you do with the time that you have between your birth and your death?
Woo!